Hello friend, welcome back with me Lutfi Aditya Wijaya. Or you can just call me Lutfi. I am student at Polytechnic Industri Atmi, specializing in mechatronic engineering technology. Today, I am excited to share my future career plan with all of you. Check it out. After graduating for Polytechnic Industri Atmi, I plan to dive straight in the workplace. Why? Because I'm eager to immediately apply the knowledge I have gained and combine it with the hands-on experience I already have. I have good 2 years of work experience in electrical engineering, and I'm keen to further develop and shape these skills on today's industrial world. My goals in become an electrical and automation engineer. In electrical and automation engineering at PT Astra International Tbk, I am particularly interested in Astra because they heavily utilize automation system. I believe that by contributing there, I will be able to grow rapidly and gain invaluable insight into modern industrial practice. The skills required for position at PT Astra International Tbk align perfectly with that I have studied. This include PLC programming and configuration, understanding electrical safety standard, ability to read and create electrical technical drawing, and performing troubleshooting and repair on electrical system. My strength in my experience in mechatronics engineer technology will be a significant asset. It will help me adapt more easily to the industry, and the challenge I will face won't be too different from those I encountered during my study. For example, while working on a university project to build a mini production line system, we faced a major challenge. Even though the mechanical design was optimal, the production speed will be below the set target, hindering overall efficiency. As part of the programming team, my main task was to identify the root cause of the slow production rate and revisit the PLC programming to meet the desired speed target. I start by analyzing the existing PLC code. I perform simulation and carefully observed AC program block and instruction sequence. From this I found that several program segments were inefficient or had unnecessary delay, slow down the work cycle. I then removed the part of the program that prologue the process and rewrote most of the code with a more conscious and structured approach, optimizing the control logic and execution order. That two things programming optimization your mini production line system speed significant in reset even exceeding the initial target. The project functioned very efficiently, demonstrating the direct impact of good programming on system performance, and your team received appreciation for success. My weakness. Of course, I understand there will be an adaptation period in the industrial world. I will also need to learn more about things I haven't coded during my study. For this, I'm incredibly enthusiastic about continuously learning and expanding my knowledge. I'm also not hesitant to ask questions if there's something I don't know, and I make sure to find out those things independently. For instance, when I was first introduced to a specific design software I had not used before, I immediately found it challenging. My task was to use this software to design components. To overcome this, I immediately looked for online tutorials, asked more experienced friends for help, and dedicated extra time to practice. As a result, I successfully completed the design on schedule and now feel more confident using that software. In the next 5 years, I aim to become a skilled and dependable engineer. I want to inspire people to see that the rapid advancement in technology actually help use and make it easier to purpose new things. With all this in mind, I feel very prepared to contribute to the industry, as I have already equipped myself with relevant experience to achieve my goals. I have done a lot to prepare myself to start the journey, and I have learned excessively about that needed in modern industry. That's all can share for my apologizing for any shortcomings, and thank you for your time. Stay enthusiastic, we can all achieve your goals. Thank you.